522 Juliette turnout. We've got a gas explosion here at GYG Chermside. Gonna need units here immediately.
Afternoon dispatch, this is 522 Juliette. We're on turnout en route to the gas explosion at Chermside GYG. We will be 10 minutes.
Thanks for the update there, fellas. This gas explosion is quite serious here, and as soon as you guys can come down here and help us out with this one, we'd really appreciate it. We need some expert help. Thanks, fellas. Over.
In addition to this call involving gas, we will also be needing 516 Alpha and Kilo, 521 Alpha, 522 Alpha and Bravo, 523 Alpha, 524 Alpha, 850 Sierra, Scientific 1, 850 Lima, 511 Alpha, 512 Alpha, 508 Alpha, 509 Alpha, 505 Alpha, 504 Alpha, 502 Bravo and Lima, 501 Zulu, and 517 Kilo turning out to the gas explosion.
Just organising that now. You heard them, fellas. We need you down here as soon as you can to help out with this serious gas explosion. It's very serious, fellas. Come down and help us out. We appreciate everything you do. Over.
We only have a month until ETCA.
Wow. Yeah, what? Come around pretty quick, isn't it? Jeez. We got a taste for it at the Red Cliff show, didn't we? Really on the bloody numbers, mate. It was a beauty. Over. Bump the hell out of them. Over.
We're gonna pass the Windsor station very shortly.
I'll be sure to pay my respects. Over. Yeah, I remember that one. Over. Excellent fellas there. Over again.
2.2 kilometers. Keep left.
Go past Windsor when there's fires in Chermside.
Oh, do they really? It's excellent. They're great fellas. Over.
They'd also go past for Lutwich.
Ah, yes.
How do you pronounce that
Well, I
suburb?
believe it's Lutwich. Like a sandwich, but Lutwich. Over.
This Wednesday all comes down to winning this year's Origin.
Oh, the rugby, the rugger. Ah, yes. Very good, very good.
So far it's a tie between two teams, but we got to bring home the victory this Wednesday.
Oh, that's something to look forward to, isn't it? Bring home the bacon. Over. May the best team win. Over. I like them very much. Over. Wonder who the support act will be. Over.
They haven't revealed it.
No word yet. I reckon it'll be someone good. Over. It's got a feeling.
Evanescence haven't mentioned theirs either.
Yeah, it's probably a bit early, isn't it? I'm looking forward to that concert too.
In 1 kilometer, keep left.
She's the best. Over.
Stay in the middle lane.
Steam train goes back to Ipswich on July 16.
Oh, does it?
It-
16 years.
It leaves Bowen Hills just after 9.
Oh, very good. Are you going to see it on the way back? Over.
I'm going to stop at Taringa to get him.
Ooh, that'll be a beauty. That'll be a little beauty. Over.
Someone's obviously needing medical support.
Oh, very good. They certainly are. They do a lovely job too, don't they? Over.
Could you tell it was a rumbler unit?
Oh, could I ever? Could I ever? It's the first thing I identified. Over.
Bravo on Juliette, turn out for additional assistance will be appreciated. Thanks.
I'll be right, just arranging that now. Arranging that now shouldn't be a problem. Over. Oh, this is a one-stop shop. Hungry Jacks, we salute you. KFC, we also salute you. Over.
It'd be funny if it was called Eddie Murphy's Law.
You're right.
You know Eddie Murphy?
What a funny fellow. What a funny fellow indeed. Over.
You know he's donkey, right?
Ah, yes, donkey indeed. Oh!
What?
Dominos. Over.
Mm-mm.
We salute you.
Best pizza restaurant out there.
Oh, you're so right. You're so very over.
Pizza Hut don't have what it takes like Domino's to make real tasty pizza.
I'm afraid you're so right. It's such a shame because Pizza Hut were once very good, but they are no longer good, and Domino's is our new favourite. Over.
And I saw in a review, Pizza Hut make really greasy, oily pizza.
Not sure if I like the greasy oily. Over. Ooh,
What?
Starbucks. I love Starbucks. Over.
There is a few around Brisbane.
They
Like-
love the lovely restaurants.
Grey Street in South Brisbane's one of them.
Yes, you're so right.
Garden City.
Yes, also correct. There's also one EMP. Over.
By EMP, you mean 8 Mile planes?
Yes, you're so right. Over.
Wishart crews go to 8 Mile planes.
Yes, you're exactly right. You're exactly right, and what a great job they do. Over.
Onto Waller Street.
Wishart were just so bloody packed all day non-stop.
Oh, yes. That's my favourite station. They do a lovely job. I take my hat off to you, Wishart Station. Over.
They had 6 turnouts.
Did you just say 6? Over?
Yes, all in one go.
Wow, that is so busy. That's such a busy day. A lovely day. Over.
Busiest I've seen in years.
It was unbelievable. That would have been a lovely day. Over.
It took the number level of busyness up to 1, beating Handra by 1.
That's a new record. Well done, Wishart. We salute you. Over.
Because Handra got 5 on Thursday and Wishart have gotten 6 on Friday.
Which entrance would you like to use?
This street.
Roger.
This guy's got a smashed tail light.
Oh, come on, fella. Get your act together. Over.